Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a VR for Supreme Glitter Queen. She is on Instagram and she's currently having a giveaway for her birthday, and her name is Haley, and all she wants is some party hats. So this is my first party hat that I made. So right here is that ball of like loopy yarn that is you could buy at Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and I just looped it all around right here and made the top. I was gonna use some crepe paper for the top here and, you know, just make a little fuzzy ball or some sort, but I decided to use this because, you know, over time if she's gonna hang it, it's not going to wrinkle, it's not going to tear, so it's going to stay intact. And in here at the bottom I use some Michael's trim, and this is the pink ball pom-pom one, and I just double layered it and I went all the way around it. I went on Google and I just searched in PDF for a party hat and I saw a bunch of pictures, and so what I did is took a screenshot of a picture and then I just merged it to my Silhouette software and created one of those where you go to trace and detach, and so I did one of those and traced it, and then I just enlarged it to fit a 12 by 12 piece of paper. And I used the Carousel collection for this, and so the inside is kites. I love how the inside looks, so I'm not sure how she's gonna hang these, but if she does hang these on her ceiling, she'll see this when she looks up, which I thought was neat. So yeah, I used the Carousel collection. So right here I have a chipboard, right here I have a sticker and another sticker here, some ephemera here. This is a sticker. I got some glue on it. I'm so sorry, Haley, I'm not even sure she watches my videos, but if she does, she can see that that was unintentional, and it was after I was all done with it. So I tried to take it off as much as I could. And then right here, this kite is chipboard, and then this snow cone right here is part of the ephemera, and I did do some sewing on it. And my lighting is so off. So yeah, then I added the collection, or the ephemera comes with stars, these sequin stars, and so I just added it periodically all over the hat. And so if I had enough, if I had more, I would add so much more, so, but I didn't. And yeah, so this is it right here. I have my information in the inside, and it came out pretty cool for being my first. There is that hat. Now let's go ahead and move on to what I'm gonna send her. So I found this pin at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was perfect for her birthday because it has you know, this queen, this crown. I was gonna say this queen, this crown, and so, you know, she has to be a princess for her birthday. So I thought that was neat right there. And then I made her some, oopsie, this is coming apart. I gotta glue this. The sticker came apart a little here, so I'm gonna have to glue that. But I made her some flowers here, and I already sealed it up. Let's see if I can open it. I doubt it. Oh wait, I may be able to. Yep, I'm able to open this. I'll show you a few. So I made her some flowers. Here they are right here. So I did use the paper collection for that. And flowers are an SVG file, and I will link them in the description below. So those are the flowers right there, and then this box is also an SVG. And then I have a smaller box, the same, and I put bows in this one. So we have 4 bows, and I just used the Alina Cuddle die for that. And I just added some stars in the middle there. So I made her some bows right here. So then I couldn't make her a card, so I bought one, and it just says happy birthday here, and it has a cake. And then the inside says this right here. And I'm just wishing her a happy birthday and more to come. So this is it right here. And this is what I'm sending her. So let's go ahead and decorate the box. Okay, so here is the box, and this is how I decorated that flap. There's that one right there, and there's that one right there, and then that one right there. So let's go ahead and put tissue paper